Let's talk about the Model View Controllator members: Joseph Chumano, Kevin Guano Luisa, Pedro Chumana, Brian Almeida. I talk about model. It's the representation of the information with which the system operates, manages and all information, both queries and updates. Characteristics: data management includes operations such as reading and reading to a database, managing files, or communicating with external services. Business logic includes business rules, calculations, validations, and other operations that define change notification. The model notifies the views when there are changes to the data. Testing: it's easier to unit tests. Unit tests can focus on ensuring that business logic and data manipulation work correctly.
Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Luis, Model View Controller. Definition and characteristics on view. In the context of the Model View Controller, design pattern, the view refers to their responsibility for presenting and displaying data to the user. It is responsible for displaying information and handling user interaction. Characteristics: graphical interface. The view in software developed in usual associated with the graphical user interface, displaying data and allowing user interaction. Model independence. It should be independent of the underlying data model, should add and change in the data does not directly after the view.
Hi, good evening. My name is Pedro, and this is a presentation of MVC or Model View Controller. The definition: it's a software design pattern for programming that proposes separating the code of the programs by their different responsibilities or components. The responsibilities or components are Model View Controller. Controller. Controller responds to events or actions performed by the user through the view in order to request an information operation. It's also responsible for choosing which view in the want to show to the user according to the request received, which is why it is the link that connects the model and the view. Okay, in this example, we have the user who observes the view through the computer through a graphical interface, and this view sends the data in the view to the controller. Then the controller assigns the operation process to send it to the model. The model processes the types of data that were generated by the user. After after this we do the same step. The model sends the processed data to the controller with its methods and then sends it to the view.
Hello everyone, my name is Brian Almeida. I'm presenting Model View Controller Data Architecture. Model View Controller MVC Introduction to MVC in OOP. MVC is an architectural pattern to organize code into the three main components to facilitate software structure and maintenance. 2. Model represent business logic and data management, class and objects to handle data manipulation and storage. Example: user class to manage data related to users. View In charge of a data presentation and visualization, it does not contain business logic if only shows information. Example, graphical user interface or GUI that displays users' information. 4. Controller ask as an intermediary between model and view in manage users input and updates both the model and the view. Example, controller that manage the creation, reading, updating, and deletion CRUD of users. 5. Interaction in OOP. Communication between model, view, and controller is done through message and events. Example, when a user performs an action in the view, the controller updates the model and the view accordingly. 6. Benefits of MVC in OOP: separating of concerts and facilitating code maintenance and scalability. Grid codes reuse by dividing the application into independent components. 7. Conclusions. MVC in OOP provides an organized structure for software development, improved code readability and maintainability.